A small setup showing you how to grow lemon in your balcony, in your terrace garden. And what we need is a small setup that you see, a small disposable glass, garden mix, plus coco peat and a lemon. That is all we required. So if you want to see how to grow lemons in your house, in your home, just do watch the whole video. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the series Plants in My Balcony. I'm using my lockdown time in a more positive way by planting different plants, small plants in my balcony. And today's on my list is lemon, the Wonder Lemon, because it's something which is an antioxidant, helps in it has anti-cancer property, boosts immune system, aids in digestion, flushes toxins from liver and kidneys, increases concentration, prevent heart failure, heal wounds faster, remove toxins, infection, helps in cold and cough, asthma, nausea, vomiting, travel sickness, acne, spots, pimples, and even in hairs. So what else we need? Hundreds of benefits of this simple fruit. So let's grow it in our small pots or in backyards or at terrace garden, wherever you have the space. I am just starting with how to grow it. I have taken a lemon, but you can always use the discarded seeds that we make lemon water and we throw the seeds. So what we can do, we can use the seeds, and from how I'm going to proceed with this lemon, you have to take out the seeds with the help of a toothpick. I'm doing it. So you take the seeds out. You just have to have the seeds, so using whatever material is available at my home. So I'm taking out the seeds, and I don't have much pots left now. So what I'm using is a discarded of course it is plastic, so we should not use it. But with no option left now, I'm using it, and this will be acting as the first pot for growing my seeds. The one thing that you have to keep in mind, that you have to have holes in it. So for the optimum drainage, what I have done is I have with the help of the toothpick made a small holes on the glass so that the drainage system is improved. There is no clogging of water. And now what we are going to do, we are going to put the soil. I have 50-50 ratio of coco peat and the normal garden soil. So this is what I'm going to put now back into this cup. Fill it like not till rim, 3/4 filled. And now what we have to do, simple thing, the seeds that we have taken out, we are going to put it into this mix. I'm putting 3-4, the reason because every seed may not germinate. So let's see. So we have just put it, and we will water it, a little amount of water. So I have kept it aside. This will sprout now. I want to show you one thing. This basically, if these seeds will sprout, this is how they will look after say about 20 to 25 days. I have put these seeds almost 20-25 days back into this pot of my vertical garden, and they have grown well. It requires almost 20 days for the lemon seeds to sprout in proper sun. It needs bright sun, so I've kept it in bright sun. And after 20 days, this is how you can see the small lemon seeds also here, from which from the seeds, you can see the seeds here also. So basically from them are these plants coming. I have many. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are many. There are plenty which has grown into this small pot that I have used for planting the seeds. Now the next thing that is required is now I have to repot these small saplings into bigger pots so that they can grow into full size lemon trees. So I have to put it into big pots. Now this is what is required. ये इसलिए किया था कि स्प्राउटिंग जो है हम स्मॉल पॉट में कर लेते हैं कि जितने सीड्स ग्रो होंगे जर्मिनेट होंगे. और ये यहाँ से आज मैंने प्लास्टिक के कप में किया है. आई हैव स्टार्टेड विद दिस. उस टाइम इसमें किया था ताकि मैं देख पाऊँ कि मैं लेमन के सीड्स कैसे हमारे इजीली जर्मिनेट हो रहे हैं. अब इसको मैं रीपॉट करूँगी बिगर पॉट्स में ऑन माय टेरेस and then maybe I'll show you. Now this plant actually takes a lot of time. I mean almost 4 years it will take to bear fruits. So till then it is teaching us patience, and I will see the journey of this plant ki how it will grow, and then maybe we'll wait for some years for the lemon to come onto our terrace. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, do subscribe, share, comment, pour your suggestions, and thank you everyone.